Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you how to create this Christmas makeup look, and this is so easy to do. Everything that I'm using on my face is under £16 and you can pick up the majority of these from the drugstore, and I love the way that this makeup look turned out because it is so easy to do. The eyes are so easy and simple, and then you've got the pop of the red on the lips as well, and it looks so Christmassy. And today I am actually wearing my Christmas jumper and I love this Christmas jumper. This was a new one that I got this year, so I felt like it was very fitting for it, and today it is Christmas Eve, so this is a perfect look for me to wear today. You can also add on some false lashes if you wanted to, but I just wanted it to be a very easy and quick makeup look for you so you can just recreate it how you'd like. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you are noticing that it is looking a little bit different on the video today, it's because I am having problems with my normal camera, so I am using my camera that I use for when I do vlogging, so that is why it's going to look a little bit different. But hopefully the quality is really good and hopefully you can see exactly what I'm doing. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. So the first thing in this makeup tutorial that I'm going to use is my foundation, and that is something that's very different for me in these makeup tutorials because a lot of the time I do my eyes first, then I do the rest of my makeup. But this time I'm going to use my foundation because this is one of those where it's a medium coverage, it's also glowy, and it just looks really nice on the skin. So I've already moisturised my skin. I don't use any mattifying or pore filling primers at the moment because I feel like my skin was breaking out with the mattifying primers and I just sort of felt like they didn't really work very well. So my favourite foundation at the moment is a L'Oreal True Match. So this one is in the shade 3W, and I'm just going to put this all over my face and I'm going to use my beauty blender for this. Then I'm going in with my concealer and I'm using my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is by far my favourite at the moment. It covers all of my dark circles and my eyes, and it just looks so good on the skin, and it's super affordable as well. This one is in the shade Medium Peach, which is perfect for when I'm tan. Also, I do just want to say I apologise for my nails. I haven't done them at the moment. It's Christmas Eve and we are actually going out and we're seeing part of Neil's family. So I'm going to be doing them tonight after I've made my jelly and things like that, so I do apologise for that. And if you do want to know where my earrings are from, these are from my Etsy page and I'll link everything down below for you so you can check it out. And I'm going to bake all this into place using my Coty Airspun powder. I love this. This one is in translucent extra coverage. I use this all the time. It's by far my favourite powder and it just looks so good on the skin. Then while that's all baking, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my products. So I'm going to take my bronzer, which is a Bourjois Paris bronzing powder. I absolutely love this. This smells like chocolate and it's meant to be like a little chocolate bar, but I've used it so much that it's just gone down so far. This one is in Tan Skin. And for blush, I'm using my EX1 blush in the shade Pretty and Peach. Now, as you can see, I have used this pretty much all the way up. It's just little tiny bits of blush that are left in there, so I have to be very careful with this. And for eyes, I'm using one palette, which is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I love this. I use this all the time. It's super affordable. You can get it in America, you can get it in the UK as well. I think it's only like £5 in the UK. So the first shade that I'm going to take is just this one right here. It's one of the transition shades, and this is such an easy makeup look to do. This is what I use when I go to work and I just want something very quick and easy and simple to do, or if I'm going out and I just need to be in a rush. So I'm just going to take that shade and I'm going to pop this in the crease. And then I'm also going to put it over the lid as well. Then I'm going to take the same shade on the same brush and I'm just going to pop it underneath the lash line as well. Then I'm taking this shade right here and I'm just going to take this on my finger and I'm going to pop it on the lid. Then I'm going to do my liner and lashes, and I'm just going to tight line my waterline. Then I'm also going to just put on mascara after that. I'm not going to use a liquid liner or anything like that. I'm using the NYX Professional Glide On Stay On waterproof eyeliner. I'm trying to work out what it says on there because I've used this so much that it's so small. So I'm just going to tightline my upper waterline with this, and then I'm going to apply mascara. And now moving on to the brows, and this is just going to be quick and easy to do. So I'm just going to use some brow gel. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. This is in the shade Quiet Brunette. This is the only product that I'm using that isn't technically drugstore. It is affordable because I got it for only £12. You can get it on offer in loads of different places. So I got it for £12. It retails for about £16. So it's not really expensive. It's not super affordable, but I feel like it is in the affordable category. So next I'm going to do my highlighter, and this is a Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in Precious Petals. I love this highlighter. It just looks so good on the skin. It is so vibrant as well, which is perfect for Christmas. So this is one of those highlighters where you only need a little bit, and a little goes a very long way, as you can see right there. At the moment I think they only have 2 shades of this, and this one is the darker one, and they also have a lighter one as well, which has different flecks of glitter in there. It's sort of like an iridescent look. And the last things to do are the lips, and for this I'm using a proper Christmassy red shade, and this is the Illuminate Cosmetics by Ashley Tisdale liquid lipstick in the shade Miami, and this is my favourite liquid lipstick by far. I absolutely love it. They're super affordable. At the moment I believe that they are buy one get one free as well, so you can get 2 for the price of 1, which is amazing. And I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks. This is by far my favourite red shade as well, and this is a true Christmas red, so I don't actually need to have a lip liner, and with every single liquid lipstick and every single red shade I always need a lip liner, and for this I don't, and it's just so good and I just love it.